こんばんは。フォレックス TV ニューヨークのレミです。10月8日水曜日の為替レポートニューヨークレビューをお伝えします。8日のアメリカ株式市場でダウ平均は続落しました。ダウ工業株30種平均は前日比189ドル1セント安の9258ドル10セントで終えた。ナスダック総合株価指数は 14.55 ポイント安の1740.33 で終えた。米連邦準備理事会 FRB など各国中銀が協調して利下げを発表しました。世界的な金融株式市場の混乱収拾に向け各国中銀が同時に行動したことが好感されて買いが優勢となる場面もありました。ただ金融システムへの強い不安を背景として売りが優勢、株式相場は大幅安で取引を終えた。ニューヨーク外国為替市場の円相場は反発しました。ドル円は99円12銭で取引を終えた。ドルは対ユーロで反落し 1.3652 で取引を終えた。またユーロ円は135円33銭で取引を終えた。それでは ACM USA のマーケットアナリストメルヴィン・ハリスさんとのインタビューをご覧ください。
First and foremost, the dollar is ending the New York session lower against both the euro and yen, but higher against both the pound as well as the Aussie. Well, this morning we saw the 6 major central banks coordinate a global interest rate cut. So the Fed, ECB, BOE, BOC, SNB, and Sweden's Riksbank all slashed their rates by 50 basis points. And as the session progressed, we also saw other central banks around the world cut their rates. But given that the central banks have been trying to alleviate strains and pressure in the financial system, do you expect to see more rate cuts, and how effective do you think this will be in terms of solving liquidity problems?
It's a great question. There's a lot of problems going on in the markets, obviously. I mean, this is one of the central issues, the credit crisis, right? The monetary policy softening that's gone on recently is definitely a major step, and clearly we're running out of options. I'm really concerned, just as an active person in the marketplace. The central banks are definitely having to coordinate and go to their last resort, and that's cutting rates. Will they do it more? I think they have to. I mean, there's only so much capital you can inject into the marketplace. We've seen billions of dollars go into money market funds, and that's really just epic proportions in terms of government money that's going into public and private interests.
Well, Melvin, indeed, interest rate cuts are not a cure-all for issues regarding solvency or liquidity. So keeping that in mind, we've been seeing plenty of volatility in today's session, and the VIX was at all-time highs today. So while we see wild swings in the equity markets and also in the FX market, let's start out by looking at euro dollar. Now, if we bring up a 60-minute chart after the global rate cut announcement, we saw the pair spike up to above the 1.37 level, and we did see a range between 136 and 137 for the middle of the New York session, but we're now back below the 137 level. So as we head into the Asian session, how much of dollar strength do you think is from liquidity and safe haven demand? And in terms of your short-term forecast, what levels are you watching for euro dollar?
Yes, we remain very bearish in the euro dollar. I mean, this is a risk aversion trade across the board against the G10 with the dollar. We saw some choppy trading action today, hence why you saw the price kind of toggle between 137 and 136. We're looking at 134, 133, and that level of 130 by year end is becoming more and more probable. And that's just clearly where we're at right now in the market.
以上 ACM USA のマーケットアナリストメルヴィン・ハリスさんとのインタビューでした。フォレックス TV ニューヨークのレミがお伝えしました。最新の為替情報についてはフォレックス TV ジャパンをご覧ください。